Hi, I'm speaking on behalf of Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. I'd like to discuss what to do when a truck tire blowout hits your car. A tire blowout is an explosive loss of air pressure in a pneumatic tire. Any blowout can be dangerous, though truck tire blowouts are especially harmful, potentially causing the truck to crash, while tire fragments endanger anyone who's nearby. Given how dire the consequences can be, it's important to try to prevent truck tire blowouts from happening by inflating tires properly, performing routine truck maintenance, replacing old tires, and driving carefully. Even with these precautions, a truck tire blowout accident may still occur. When it does, there are steps you should remember to take. First, move yourself and your vehicle to safety to prevent further accidents. Then dial 911 so that police and emergency personnel will arrive to document the incident. Be sure to point out any tire fragments that could serve as evidence to the responding officers, and also provide them with a full account of what took place to ensure the police report is accurate. Seek medical treatment as soon as you can, ideally from paramedics or at the emergency room. Take pictures and shoot video of your surroundings, including any tire debris that you find and any text painted or printed on the truck whose blowout injured you, since it could indicate potential defendants. You'll need to get a hold of those defendants, so take down relevant information from the truck's driver and any other motorists involved, including their name, address, phone number, email, insurance company and policy number, driver's license, vehicle make, model and year, and license plate. Get the names and numbers of any witnesses too, since they could provide independent confirmation of what happened. Inform your auto insurance company about the accident right away so that you can remain in compliance with your policy and take advantage of the benefits that it provides. But stay away from the other insurance companies who may use what you say to undermine your case, at least until you talk to a lawyer who can answer your questions and advise you about what you can expect if you decide to pursue a case. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you've been injured by a truck tire blowout, reach out to Hensley Legal Group, where we've been advocating for the everyday people of Indiana for more than a quarter century.